IIT Chikmagalur. So today my company research project is on Godrej interior. So these are my quick preview which contains which I am included.
Yeah. Can you speak?
Yes, sir. Next
Next
slide.
slide. You have to tell, na? Yeah.
Um,
Yeah, you can.
so this is the history of the Godrej company. It was found that the Godrej company was evolved from the year 1818 and 32, and from which the small company was started. So here the picture, black and white picture, he's the one who found the Godrej company.
Very old company.
Very, very old company, sir.
Trusted company.
Yes, sir. Next slide. This company, Godrej company, has 96 years of history. The following are the table in which year with what products was launched and what and all small scale industries became the large scale ones. So the key point of this slide is that in the year 2006, the Godrej interior was officially launched.
Okay, very good.
So this is the Godrej interior logo and pictorial representation of how it is connecting home to home and other things.
All the furniture, where and all, what are the things they are producing. Yeah.
So, the Godrej Interiors are providing the following products and services. In home room furnitures, the concept bedroom furnitures, living room, kitchens, mattresses, dining room, home storage, etc. When it comes to institutional furnitures, seating system, cabins, desks, education furniture, open plan office storages, laboratory healthcare. Services, when we take, this is the highlight actually. Many interior companies do not provide the interior solution for marine accommodation and AV solutions. The Godrej interiors have this key point. So next. So when it comes to home furnitures, the bedroom furnitures are masterfully designed, like for the need of the requirements and customized as per the client's needs. So next. So this is the dining room furniture. The dining room furnitures are aesthetically and beautifully designed, like for the depending on the area of the things. These dining room furnitures, the interior solutions can also look at the client's place and they will design, or else they are readily available in the market also. So next. So another Godrej interior product is mattresses. This also comes under the bedroom concept itself, but it also has some different like product value and other things. So this is marked as grouped separately. So the next one is home storages. Home storages also provide play an important role in office things and in anything like wardrobe related, any storage related purposes. It serves a serves as a great purpose. Next slide, sir. So when it comes to institutional furnitures, as you can see, seating system, cabin desk, executive system, education furnitures, and further are grouped. In according to this, as per I read the review, furnitures are of 91% of institutional furnitures are of valuable types, and there are no errors and any manufacturing defects and all. So these are also like laboratory furniture, storages, open plan offices are also also Godrej Interiors also provides these kind of facilities. The next one, sir. Another important grouping is that healthcare furniture. As it comes in the institutional furniture itself. Godrej, while saying it, Godrej Interiors also, like Godrej company has a separate medical hospital, as I saw in the information. In that, they said like most of them, all the healthcare units are of Godrej products itself. The next ones. When it comes to services, as I told, these are some important services Godrej provides.
Your volume is not there. Rachana, your volume is not there. Yeah, no, Rachana? Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah. Now you can speak.
When it comes to marine accommodation solutions, Godrej Interiors provides a special category and special customized solution for ships, yachts, and other things. The next slide.
Yeah, you posted.
Accommodation solution. Another point is that the ship may be either commercial or for personal usage. The Godrej Interiors are well known for marine accommodation solutions also. Next slide. The AV solutions, Godrej Interior Solutions also provide audiovisual products which is highly recommended and sophisticated in highly recommended and sophisticated places, which provides all kind of audio facilities and also PPT rooms, vending services, which we can commonly see in cafeterias, offices, and all. Godrej Interiors provides that, sir. Next. So next one.
Done, Rachana.
So, these are the brands that are associated with Godrej Interiors. The well-known companies such as U&US, Script, India Circus. When it comes to U&US, they provide like innovative concept for design customization. They work as a master plan for Godrej Interiors. Script, these also work on Godrej Interiors, which provide furniture and decor. India Circus, these mainly concentrate on the accessories which can be provided in the interiors, like bean bags, cushions, customs, everything. So next one.
Yeah, done. Done.
So now the question arises: how much does a Godrej interior cost? So when it comes to home interiors, as I spoke to one of the officer of Bangalore main branch, they said according to like on approximations, the bedroom on depending on the needs requirements of the clients, approximately it costs from 2 lakhs to 5 lakhs, and then living room 1 lakh to 5 lakh, a dining room 1,80,000 to 3 lakh. Like dining room, they included like in 1,80,000. It's because they included the dining set which costs around 70,000. Kitchen 1 lakh to 2 lakh. Kitchen also depends on the per square meter distance. Like that, they
Based on
group
the
the money.
area. Based on the area.
Area they group.
Yes.
So on home accessories like I said, India Circus which provides, they said around 2,000 to 20,000. It varies. Office furniture, so there is a defect. Sorry for that. Desking, desking. If I say, like in office, like for instance, if it is an office, 50,000 to 1 lakh. It depends, including the table, storage system, and the chairs which is required. And then storage which can be like varied from 15,000 to 1,50,000 depending on the spaces and requirements. While I'm talking about dusking, these also include institutional furniture like in schools and all. Dusking per room, it might cost around 1 lakh rupees. Next one, sir. So this is one of the network and reach slide in which way it varies. Like Godrej Interior has
Their
wide
presence, where and all they are available.
53 total stores are around available, sir. These are the certificates. Godrej Interior is known for green pro and green concept. This is the main highlight of the Godrej Interiors nowadays. These are some of the brand certifications which is achieved by Godrej Interiors.
Very
Next
good.
one, sir.
Yeah.
So when I'm talking about conclusion now. So on conclusion, why Godrej Interior and why not others? if I'm saying like that, what are the pros of the Godrej Interiors? The pros are like these Godrej Interiors are India's largest company. Like some people who are all only watching TV and asking others' opinions, like Godrej Interiors are well known to everybody, so they suggest Godrej and they go to Godrej Interiors. And Godrej Interiors also provide customs and aesthetic, I mean, products according to the client's need. Another, I'm talking about cons now. Cons are that it only focuses on 20s to 40s age group. When I saw the ratio and I mean the pie chart of the age group, which like mainly concerns on, we mainly focus India. I mean interior solutions focus are 20s to 40s age group. The price range may not be suitable for every kind. Like some layman people, only average employer might be wanted interior solutions of Godrej. He might not offer all the prices which they have fixed. So these are some of the pros and cons of Godrej interior.
Very good, very good. Nice presentation. I